not every customer is a good fit, and saying no is important. So what I look for in a customer, they've got to be a good fit for our business, because we typically work with a smaller number of customers and we want to become their outsourced kind of information systems team. So it's really important, and this is where you need to think about who you want to be working with, that you get confidence in them, you like them, you're happy to spend time on the phone, on email, face-to-face meetings with them, the workshops with them. You trust that when you put them in front of your team are going to have confidence in their capabilities as well. So in that sense, you need to meet, a couple of people at least, if not few or more, in the sales process when you're going through your system selection, and make sure that you've got that rapport for the long term. Because just wait for this van to pass. Because when you get into the workshops, decisions need to be made, people need to be engaged in the process, people need to trust on both sides that the customers are giving us the right answers to the right questions, we're probing them for the answers in the first place, we're changing our questions and making sure that we get the right answers. Because if we, as a supplier, don't get what we need from the customers, then the system is also going to struggle past the post. And it ends up being a bit of a blame culture, which is not nice for anybody. And so really that kind of honesty and questioning, honesty and answering throughout the whole process is just critical. That starts right from the first conversation through to go live and beyond when you start to support the systems as well. So that kind of know, liking and trusting someone is really critical in the whole process. And never forget that. Don't get so caught up in functionality and tweaks and bells and whistles that you forget the kind of behavior and attitude and the cultural fit between you and your supplier.